Hey guys, welcome to Just a Guy and His Bike. Today we're going to be installing Ciro's bag blades. We're going to upgrade the back of this bike here. It's 2019 Street Glide. Alright, let's get this box popped open. Let's see what we have in here. Oh well, we'll pick it up. Alright. The first blade, they have the package sealed tight, waterproof. It's gonna be that first blade. We have Ciro controllers. We're gonna have the second blade, also sealed tight, waterproof packaging. And we have our trusty old mail instructions. I like to just glance at it, look at the pictures and say, oh well, we'll figure it out. Get rid of them. Let's open up the blades and see what we have here. Ah, look at that. That is nice. Those are going to fit perfect on the back of here. Going to actually add some more light to the back, make it look a lot nicer at the back. And I'm going to give you guys a before and after picture of when we update this bike. Hey guys, this is what the back of this bike looks like now. When we're done, we're going to have it all lit up with those Ciro bag blades. Alright, next thing we're going to do, obviously we're going to have to get this seat taken off. I'm going to go ahead and get this seat taken off. Take out a trusty little spindle back here and pull up on the seat. Move our battery tender. Get the seat removed. Okay. So, I don't know about you guys, but the first thing I like to do when I'm hooking up anything electrical, before I get into all the major work, I like to get down in here, man, and I like to test out everything. Make sure all my electrical connections are working. So, Harley has been so kind enough to label everything under the bike for us. Product seemed pretty stout, sturdy. Ciro is a really good manufacturer. I've been seeing nothing but good things about them. You're gonna disconnect this black cable here. Get this black cable right here disconnected. All right, we're gonna plug our trusty T-harness in. It's a pretty simple plug and play. It's kind of foolproof. Screw it up. All right. Now, once we got those connectors connected, we're gonna grab our bag lights. We're gonna plug them in. I may not have the right side, but right now we're just doing some test fittings to see if everything actually works. So once we know everything works, then we'll start the disassembly of the bike to get it all wired up properly. All right, let's give it a whirl and see what we have. And we have lights. Those things are pretty cool, aren't they? They're gonna give this back of this bike a nice addition. Let's see. Left signal. Yeah, see, I had them wrong. And then we're gonna cancel that one and go to the right signal. They actually changed colors, man. That's pretty neat. And then it has a directional arrow. So let's see. Those that side is telling people to get over out of your way. All right, let's check our hazard lights. Flashing both ways, telling people to part ways like the Red Sea. Check it out, guys. We're gonna get these things installed. They're looking pretty cool already. All right, guys, I'm assuming. So we have the blades. We know what side is what. We already checked the light and everything. I'm gonna clean a little of this dust off the back of the bike here. And wipe it down really good. And what I like to do when I'm installing anything electrical, I like to sit it up there just to see exactly where it is going to go. So, if I put it right there, it's going to hit the lid. So move it down just a tad to where the lid can still close. Won't have any problems closing the lid. And it's nice and snug up against the bag. You know, some will try to put it up here, but it doesn't go there. It goes down here, right up under the bag lid. So it gives it a little space to adjust. You can unplug it. I still have mine plugged in, but you can unplug it. Just press down. Once you remove that tape, clean that surface really good, and there you have it. Hey guys, something I should note when installing these on the back of the bike. The back of these lights have a slant on them. The slant should be downward, i.e. your bag slant downward and outward. So when you're installing these, like I said, when you plug them up, they can go to either side. But when you're installing them, make sure you're installing the slant side down. Alright guys, now that we got the bag lights installed, Ciro sends you 6 zip ties and they send you 6 mounting pads. These mounting pads, I'm going to route my light down under the garment where the saddlebag attaches, come back up to the top of the lid, back over, and then straight on out to the plug up on the bike. Alright, we're going to do the same thing to both bags, and we'll be right back with you. Alright guys, I got everything installed, put away. You notice I went here and I got Ciro plug. It's nice and tucked right here beside the frame to where it's just under the edge of the frame. It's all plugged in, tucked away. It looks pretty good to me. The wires come across here. I'm probably going to add some more zip ties just to keep the wires from rubbing up against the frame and chafing possibly on these brackets. And then we're going to get back here for the moment of truth, and you're going to see what they look like on. It's early in the morning here where I'm at, so you're going to get a chance to see what they look like in the dark. Alright, let's get these things turned on. Alright, they're looking good. Alright guys, that concludes our first installation. Ciro's LED bag lights. They look really good on the bike. It's going to definitely let people see me when I'm hitting the brakes going down the road. At night they're going to be nice and bright, even though I wear a reflective vest. Alright, that's it for this episode of Just a Guy on This Bike. See you next time.